Okay, I promise this is it. I won't be back today, but I had to come back on here and share this with you guys. One more thing. If you happen to have Remy hair, human hair, and the hair is really dry and it's too soon for you to shampoo and condition it, this will make the hair soft again. I use this on this hair, and oh my goodness, the hair is soft, soft, soft. It's the Pantene Pro V Overnight Miracle Repair Serum. This stuff works excellent on my own hair. I've been using this for a while. Something told me when the very ends were just slightly dry to use this, and I did, and the softness came right back like that. So if you have human hair or Remy hair and you need to get the moisture back in it, like quick, this will do it. And I know someone's going to ask me, where do you get it? Um, so it just so happens that this is a product you can get anywhere. You can find this at Walmart, Target, Rite Aid, Walgreens, Dollar General, Family Dollar. Yeah, you could find this anywhere. This is not a difficult product to find at all. Um, but it's very good. And when I would roller set my own hair, it worked for me perfect. And it works for this hair as well. I'm so happy I already have something in my arsenal that works like this. But anyway, I'm gone for real today. And I just wanted to come back and share that with you guys because I knew I was forgetting something. Okay, so you guys take care. Stay blessed. Bye bye.